Okay, just another session of my case modding on the HarryH-E. I've cut the brackets out at the top so to bring the radiator up again and put the fans inside. Drive bays cut out. Gonna get a new power supply for this. The radiator in the bottom, it's fixed at the moment. I've got to cut it out. What I'm going to do, use that as the drain port, and then I put a 120 fan. This fan is going to go like that on a pull, like that. So that will go in there. So, and I have another which will go in there like that, somewhere like that. So I'm going to cut this out to the inner line, which is the size of the blades. I got black perspex which I'm going to cut, and that will go cover that up, and then cut the circle out for the fan. I've got a piece of black perspex to come up the back here. Hard drive will go in the back of there. SSD either go in the front here or down the back of there. Right, I'll show you the bottom before I cut it. Right. What I'm going to do, down, so the radiator's in there. I'm going to cut that out to this line, drill the holes for the radiator, so the only thing that's going to be cut out is this little bit here, and then the size of the fan. So I'm going to get going doing that, and I'll get back to you, show you what it looks like. Not sure if to put fan grills down there. I have some fan grills on there. This is the radiators going in the top. Surely I can take these off, put them over here, and we'll see what it looks like. Right, I'm going to take this radiator out, go and cut this lot out, and I'll get back to you and show you what it looks like.